Hello everyone, I'm Billy Singh from Zen-Ohs Acupuncture and Wellness in New Hyde Park, New York, and today I'm going to talk about herbal liniments. First off, what are liniments? Liniments are topical remedies that help with treating aches and pains, and they're made from a collection of medicinal herbs to help with reducing swelling, relieving pain, promoting blood circulation, strengthening the sinews and bones, relieving joint stiffness, removing muscle spasms, and removing toxins from the site of an injury. Now, these liniments come from the martial arts traditions of Hong Kong, Taiwan, and China. And they're very helpful in treating many different types of aches and pains, whether they're traumatic injuries from car accidents, work injuries, or any type of sports injury you can shake a stick at. And how are they made? Well, today I'm going to show you just an example of how they are made. Since all of our liniments are alcohol-based, we place the ingredients in a 1 gallon jar right here, and then we soak them in alcohol. And we set them to rest in this alcohol solution for at least 3 months. And as you can see here by the date on this liniment over here, called the Dragon Breath liniment, this has been aging for at least 6 months. The longer it sits in the alcohol, the stronger this gets. And this is just one of many herbal liniments that we sell here at our clinic. So let's go about each different one that we have here available. This one is called the Red Phoenix liniment. This is especially useful for muscle spasms, muscle strains, and sprains. This is helpful for injuries that have occurred within 1 week of the injury. So this will help with removing swelling, this will help with treating pain, and it would also help with promoting movement of the sinews as they glide up against one another during movement. So that being said, let's move on to the next one. We have the yellow ox liniment, which helps with not only stage 1 injuries, but stage 2 injuries. What's the difference between the two? Stage 1, as I may have mentioned, is when the injury has occurred within 1 week. Stage 2 is when you have an injury that has been persistingly hurting you for at least 14 days, 2 weeks. And this is where you have some amount of swelling, but there's no redness around the area, so this will be helpful for reducing swelling around the site. This will help with removing inflammation. It can be used for contusions and bruises to a certain degree, and can help also with promoting better movement of the joint. And also, I've been using this in treatment for different patients of mine with nerve pain. And as we move on forward, we have the Dragon Breath liniment. This is for stage 3 injuries, where you're dealing with aches and pains that have now been persisting for 21 to 28 days or longer. This is more for chronic care. And what this does is that this focuses more on the tendons than anything else. This is where you have a joint which has no swelling, no redness, or a minimal amount of inflammation, but this is where you have pain within a joint that has been going for so long that there is lack of range of motion or difficulty with range of motion with pain that is worsened with cold weather or whether it be cold weather outdoors or cold weather indoors, whether it be from an air conditioning source. And this will help with not just warming up the tendons, but also removing tendinitis. So, that being said, another function of this is to help with your workouts. You can use this before and after your workouts, which any exercise you do, whether it's weight training, cardio, martial arts, whatever type of strenuous workout that you do, to help warm up the muscles and the tendons, to help with blood circulation to the particular areas of your body that you are exercising. And the other thing about this is that while there are no side effects associated with these herbal liniments, they are supposed to be used with caution with people who are on blood thinners, and they are contraindicated in women who are pregnant or who are breastfeeding as well. And that being said, you can get them over here in our clinic here in New Hyde Park, New York. And we also have a shopping cart on our Facebook site, which is facebook.com/wellness, Zen-Ohs Acupuncture and Wellness. And we'll put the link at the bottom below. We will be also having a shopping cart on a website soon in the near future as well. And another thing to make mention of is that in our next video, we're going to be talking about herbal tonics that we have here available in our office. So that being said, I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Special thanks also to the patients who have reported very good feedback regarding these liniments that we have here. And we also have to have special thanks to IAI for imparting this knowledge over to me so that I can impart it over to you, the viewer, and also to prospective patients as well. That being said, take care, and remember, one medicine, many directions, Zen-Ohs Acupuncture and Wellness. And remember, healthy people are happier. We'll see each other next time. Take care. Have a great day.